What do you actually need to start writing your book? A lot of people will really get caught up in the details. They imagine themselves in a world looking somewhat like this, where their book has taken off, they've made a lot of money, and they're enjoying the high life from their book. But they get really stressed out in all the details that it takes to try and actually get them there. So the question is, what do you actually need, and is it as stressful as you've made it out to be? First of all, you just need something to write on and write with. You need a notebook and pen, or you need a computer, a laptop, a desktop, Word, Google Docs, anything that you can start sharing notes on and writing notes on. It's simple. You don't have to go get a really over-the-top, fantastic tool to help you write and organize your book. Sure, you've probably heard of things like Scrivener or all kinds of fancy-pantsy things that you can get, and those are great tools, but don't let thinking about tools like that stop you from moving forward with getting your book. Just get out your journal, just get out your notebook, just get out your computer and start writing. You can worry about the rest later. The next thing you need to really think about is your outline. It's great if you have an idea for a book, but if you just sit down and try to write a book, some people can do it. So if that's your style, sit down and write. But most people need some sort of outline or roadmap to make sure that they are sticking to a general plan. Doesn't have to be really super duper fancy, but get something written down so you have an idea of what you're going for. Without that roadmap, you may spend a lot more time trying to figure out your book. Finally, you need a quiet space, a place where you're not going to be interrupted, and a place where you can sit and quietly write your book without being disturbed. If this feels like a lot for you to think about, and maybe you're worried about what comes next, we offer many tools, resources, tutorials, and all kinds of support through Write, Publish, Sell. I'd invite you to check out our courses at writepublishsell.thinkific.com, or you can come look for us on Facebook. Look for the Write, Publish, Sell group. We are here to make sure that that book becomes more than just a dream, that it actually happens, and that you can get it done without the overwhelm, without as much of the stress, and with someone who's done it many, many times here to lead you through the process. I'm Alexa Bigwharf, and I can't wait to be part of your writing, publishing, and selling journey.